Welcome back to another video. So today I am on my way to Joyce's studio because we are going to Jaja's salon opening with Bea. So tatlo kami. Yun lang naman. I have my fedora hat today. And bad news, nasira yung zipper ng Abby Hoxton bag ko. It's because I put way too much stuff in my bag. So color. Because I'm wearing, later na lang mag-OOTD ako. I'm wearing something, of course. Okay, let's go.
I was built back up when your heart cemented me. I'll be the silence where you sleep. I'll be the violence to you on the streets. You could look up and
We're now here in the car of Bea. Hi, Bea.
Yo,
Bea.
what's up?
Si Kuya Roldan's driving.
Yes.
Hi, Joyce. We're back together again. So happy.
Yes, the trio is up.
So we're gonna go to Cut and Fix International Salon by Jaja.
Alam lang ni Jaja, ako pupunta. Alam na
I surprise Jaja. Super fun. Saan siya Mindanao Ave? I'll have the address in the information box if ever you guys want to. Ang bilis ko magsalita. If ever you guys want to have your hair done. Ano bang mga service doon? Makikita natin mamaya.
Mga hair, more on hair. Let's talk about hair. Yun yung tagline niya. Mas tugan.
Talaga? Let's talk about hair. Oh yeah.
Ayun.
So we're gonna have lunch first.
Yes,
Courtesy
yes.
of Bea as always. Thank you, Bea. May hangover yan. Pero fresh.
Fresh hair.
Ano oras ka nagising?
Ako?
Yeah.
9:30.
Oh, aga. Love it.
Dapat eat.
Yeah?
Eat ako nag-alarm. Tapos wala, palpak yung alarm. Natulog ulit ako.
Siyempre, si Sing.
About 7 a.m. Joke lang, 11 na ako nagising.
7 to 11. 7-11.
Sobrang pagod kasi ako. Grabe kahapon. Super stress talaga.
Pero masaya.
Yeah, super saya. We met Ashley Rivera.
Oh!
Christmassy!
Deborah Lipman.
Uy, ang ganda ng color base. Saan mo binili?
Di ba yung best friend ko si Camille? Nagtatrabaho siya stands. Employee sale.
Oh, wow! My favorite song as of the moment. As in, sobrang 20 times ko siya inuulit. Replay. And I write your name. Ang ganda ng beat, diba? Huwag na isipin, hindi kami magkatabi dito sa may bag kasi. Yung bag isang
Magkagalit kami. Blank space.
Blank space! Oh my God!
Ikaw naman to.
Sorry, ganyan talaga kami pag ano. Pag isa naman ako, tahimik ako. Pero pagkasama ko yung iniingi natin.
Siyempre.
Kanta.
Ayaw niya mag-bop ng head, so ako nagbabop ng head for her. Okay. Super ganda na kantang yan. Bago pala yan, kala ko luma. Super catchy. Napanood namin kagabi yung video ng New Flame. Alam niyo New Flame? Kinakanta ko yung oy, naku, Illuminati yung video nila. Same table, same position. Magkatabi ko yung Bea.
Mat table.
Si Joyce. Table mo talaga to? Talagang naka-reserve for you. Wow naman, si Oo. Christmassy.
This is my table. This is my dad's table.
Talaga?
Make sure you have tables. Table ko, table dito.
So cool.
Pag alam mo na may reserve dyan, ibig sabihin may reserve.
That's so bongga. We have pako salad. Oh. Ano sabi mo? Piko.
Nag-salivate si Joy.
This one is kare-kare. Kare-kare.
Oxtail.
Oxtail. And then this is rice. Yes.
Pahiram sa iya.
Rice. Go. Suotin mo, Joyce.
Look where we are, of course, we are married.
Bagay sa'yo. Oh my God. Hindi masikip sa ulo mo? Suotin mo lang. Ay, bongga.
We have papa salad. Special request ni Joy.
Ay, bawal? Bakit? Di ko alam yun ah.
Sign of disrespect.
Oh?
Pag nakahat.
Di ko alam yun. Bongga yun.
Tapos
Okay.
correct. Piko-piko.
Paano naman yung tilapia?
Gambas.
Uy, may tilapia.
Ay!
Pinaputok ko tilapia. Oh my God. That's so yummers. Yummers.
Let's go!
Aftermath. Makinain natin. Thank you, babe. Okay.
Money, syempre, money.
Super windy. Cut and Fix Salon. We're here.
Surprise namin si Jaja. Holiday ko si Jaja lang.
Kanin Jaja. Akala ko si Bea lang. Wi-Fi zone. The interior.
Galing sila ng Los Angeles. California.
Ano? Hi, gorgeous!
Okay, ayan yung mga services ng Cut and Fix. So, super mura lang. Look at that. Look at that.
Papa Manny Petty.
Yeah, actually, you want to support kami.
Paano tuloy
Ako
sa
pwede kayo din ako.
sa ink,
Yeah, mapulit.
sa duo, adhesive.
Bagay na bagay kay Joyce yung hat. It's from rosegal.com. Super bagay kasi kay Joyce talaga yung hat. Bongga. Even kay Bea naman yung malalaki, yung mga pang-don niya. Oo.
Doon mo.
Bagay na bagay. We're starting. Mercado, ayan. Hi, Chrissy! Hi! Hi, babe! Joyce! Had my toes done. Jaja! Cute! Sexy ni Jaja, oh, may slit pa talaga. Finally leaving. Cut and Fix. Thank you, Jaja! Congrats! Bye-bye! See you soon! See you soon! We are now on our way to a bazaar. Anong bazaar yun, Joyce?
Parang celebrity.
Celebrity Bazaar.
May entrance ba doon?
I love my...
I am not sure kung meron. Parang wala naman.
Joyce is trying out the BB Rolly from our other vlog, yung absorbs facial oils. It works! Sayang, hindi ko na vlog, pero sa vlog ni Joyce, panoorin niya yung vlog niya. It works!
Turn pa ba?
Ano? Eh, sa forehead mo, Joyce. Pakita mo sa forehead.
Yan.
Yan. Ang galing mag-mattify agad! Totoo ba? We're inside! Ito Eaton Centris for the... Anong bazaar to? Celebrity whatever bazaar? Ayan, ang dami kong nakikita maganda naman. It's not the usual stuff kasi ang daming bago. Parang ito, ano ito? Etish, online, ayan. This one is Give Your Skin All Natural Loving. Ayan.
I know, yun guys, nasabi ko sa'yo eh.
Yeah, food over here. Itong side na ito, puro food yan. Oh my gosh, di ba? Look at those. Beo! Over here. Really? Wow. We are here at Sbarro. Ano ba? Paano ba sabihin yun? Sbarro, whatever. I'm ordering that lasagna and this isa is Big City. Hi, Sam! Ay, ang arte. Grabe. Buwis. Yeah! Woohoo! Ingay na. Wow, generous pala kayo sa sauce. Wow, what's that? Cheese. More cheese. Having dinner before we go to the massage place. Here lang in S. Manila. And I have this lasagna. Oh yes. And we have lemonade. It's a Big City. I had so much fun with Bea and Joy. Super fun talaga. Pero sobrang pagod na ako. So, relax muna. Back to work tomorrow. That was so yummy. Pero hindi ko siya kayang ubusin. So, we're gonna take this out. We're gonna have it wrapped up. Hi, Sam! We're gonna get a massage from this place, Nature's Way Aromatherapy Salon. And we're just gonna have some here at Fix and Berries. Yan. Nag-ayos ako ng gamit ko kasi sila sa ring gamit ko. And nasira ang zipper ng bag ko dahil sa sobrang daming laman ng bag ko. Kalurks, okay? Okay. Hello.